Hey guys, Fred Tech Up here, and this is the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. With what this device has to offer, this could possibly be the only affordable smartphone that offers premium looks and features. The Spark 20 Pro Plus is Tecno's first attempt at bringing flagship features to the budget segment, like the curved AMOLED display and under-display fingerprint scanner. But aside from these attractive features, is this better than what the competition has to offer? Let's find out. For the unboxing experience, when you open the box, you are greeted with an envelope that contains a screen guard for the curved display. We also have a phone sticker cleaning kit, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, and a nice looking plastic case that has a cool color design on it. This case actually fits the device really well, and with this, your device has a protective case. This is not something you see every day. Moving on, we have the device itself wrapped in plastic that carries major highlights of the device. Next, we have the MTN voucher, a 33-watt fast charging brick, an earpiece, a USB Type-C charging cable, and finally a SIM ejector tool. When it comes to the design and build quality of this smartphone, I will say that the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus is really impressive. It doesn't look cheap in any way. Now, once you take the device off the plastic wrap that houses this device, you'll be blown away by how thin and light it feels. It has this premium feel to it. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus comes in 4 distinctive colors, which are Temporal Orbit, Radiant Starstream, Magic Skin 2.0 Green, and Lunar Frost, which is the color that I have here. However, I wish I had the Temporal Orbit, which is actually the black color. The colors do look nice, and I must say I genuinely love the design of this device. It looks and feels like a flagship device. It is light in the hand. It feels very solid, giving you that premium feel. The front of this device is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, while the frame and the rear is made from plastic. Another plus is the IP53 dust and splash resistance that is capable of protecting this smartphone against dust and water splash. Remember, I say water splash. Don't go and dip it inside water, okay? Another thing I really love about this smartphone is how it feels in the hand. It feels really unique, and I really like how comfortable it is. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. At 179 grams, it is not heavy, meaning I can actually hold this and carry it around for hours without any discomfort. That is how light this device feels. Now, moving on to the external features, at the top we have a microphone and a speaker. At the left, there is nothing. At the bottom, we have a dual SIM card tray with no memory card expansion slot. You are given up to 256 GB of internal storage on this device, which is more than enough for a lot of people. So I really see no reason for an external memory card. Or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Moving forward, we have another microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and another speaker, which means this smartphone has dual stereo speakers. The speakers actually sound loud and good for a device in this price bracket. However, it lacks any form of bass. Considering how thin this device is, I feel like that is actually expected. You don't expect something this thin to have a lot of bass. At the right side of the device, we have the power button and the volume rocker keys. It has an optical fingerprint scanner that is located underneath the screen of this device. From my experience, it is not the fastest, but it gets the job done. It actually takes less than a minute to set it up, and it is responsive when unlocking the device. You can also use face unlock if you prefer to combine the two. Setting up both may come handy if your hands are oily and you want to unlock your device. This is one of the few devices available with a front flashlight, which you can actually use for night selfies. Additionally, you can even turn on the back and the front flashlight simultaneously. At the back of the device, we have a triple camera setup that comprises a 108 megapixels main sensor and 2 extra auxiliary lenses, possibly for depth sensing and low light detection. We also have a quad flashlight that is very bright and the Tecno Spark branding. Moving to the front, it comes with a curved 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels. It offers a clear viewing experience that can rival most mid-range devices. It looks sharp. Being an AMOLED display, it is more contrasty and colorful. It shows bright and vibrant colors. I really like how it wraps content around the display, giving you that immersive experience. Speaking of experience, the user interface is really smooth and responsive thanks to the high refresh rate of 120 Hz. It doesn't support HDR content, but you're still going to enjoy watching content on this smartphone. This device has up to 1000 nits of peak brightness and 393 pixels per inch density. The screen is really bright, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The display is really impressive for a budget device. I seriously have no complaint when it comes to the display. Now moving on to the performance, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset. 8GB of RAM that can be expanded up to 16GB through memory fusion technology. And we have a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Opening apps, web browsing and even multitasking on this smartphone is super amazing. It is very responsive and smooth thanks to the efficiency of the processor and a 120Hz high refresh rate. Scrolling and navigating through the user interface is very responsive. And if you feel like 8GB of RAM is not enough, you can expand it up to 16GB by simply navigating to the special function menu under the phone setting and then click on Mem Fusion to increase the RAM size. Doing so will further boost your phone performance. Now, taking a look at the synthetic benchmark scores right here, we can see here that it scored above 400,000 on the Antutu, and for Geekbench, the single core score is over 600 and multi-core score is close to 2000, which is very impressive for a budget device. Now, for gaming, the Mali G57 MC2 graphics processor will run most of your favorite games perfectly. As usual, I played Call of Duty Mobile on this device and the gameplay runs smoothly at medium graphics settings and high frame rates. The game performance was okay and smooth. I didn't experience any lag on this device, but it was a bit warm after playing it for a couple of minutes, which is normal. If gaming is your main concern, you're going to be okay with most of the games, while some games may struggle a little bit, so just have that at the back of your mind. Additionally, one of the reasons you're really going to enjoy gaming on this device has to be the stereo speakers it comes with, because they are really loud and this is going to make your gaming experience enjoyable and fun. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus is one of the few budget devices that comes bundled with Android 14 out of the box. It comes with a custom skin which is HiOS 13.6. With this, you're going to get all the features that comes with Android 14 and more from Tecno. Being a budget device, you expect to see some pre-installed apps, which is one of the reasons this device is affordable. There's always a give and take when something is really cheap. There has to be some areas where the company collects back their money, and having so many pre-installed apps is one of them. Now you can choose to uninstall them for a much better experience. Moving on to the camera, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus comes with a 108 megapixels main camera, which is the first time we are having such a huge sensor on a Spark series. We also have two extra cameras that don't really do anything. In a well-lit environment and a bright sunny day, the Spark 20 Pro Plus captures good-looking images with a satisfactory amount of details. The colors are punchy with decent dynamic range and the exposure is great. The images are really nice for a budget device. The 32 megapixel selfie camera is also decent. For the few times that I spent with this device, the selfie camera is very impressive with most of the images that I took. They look sharp and bright with good dynamic range. Kindly go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is a rare footage of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, shooting in 2K 30 frames per second, and as you can see, the footage looks okay even though it is not stabilized. This device actually has an ultra steady mode, but to do that you have to jump down to 1080p. So I'm going to switch to 1080p now and let's see what the footage looks like. Alright guys, so this is the ultra steady mode on this device, shooting in 1080p. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. How stabilized is the footage? Let me know. Hey guys, so this is a front-facing camera of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, currently shooting in 2K resolution, 30 frames per second. What do you guys think about the video quality here and the audio quality? I feel like it's okay, even though it is struggling a little bit with dynamic range, but the footage looks great. What do you guys think? Now moving on to battery, I would say it is exceptional. It has a 5000 mAh battery that delivers an all-day performance. If you're an average user, it can last you an entire day on a single charge. Speaking of charging, the included 33 watt fast charger took only 1 hour and 27 minutes to completely charge this device from 0 to 100%. Which is impressive. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about the price. As at the time of making this video, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus goes for 337,700 naira, which is approximately $230 for 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and that's the only option available. So, in conclusion, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus does not only offer premium build quality and good value for money, it also has excellent features and a rock-solid performance among its competitors. At that price, you get plenty of RAM, plenty of storage, and a decent battery life. However, it has some drawbacks like an average camera. Yes, you heard me. The camera is not that great when it comes to low light. Secondly, Tecno hasn't said a word about a future software update like getting Android 15 or later on this device. So that is it, guys. That's my review of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. What do you guys think? Kindly share your own thoughts with me in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also turn on post notifications so you get alerted whenever I post new content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the very next one. Bye-bye.